Hey garden friends, I'm back and I'm here with this cute little froggy planter that has a little apron on it, and I purchased 4 different animals at Daiso, a local Japanese store, and they all have this little apron with the knot in the back. And this is the last one that I'll be planting. So I've already planted a kitty, which was the most recent one, the panda, piggy, which I gave to my friend, and now for this froggy. And I thought to myself, what should I plant in the froggy? And I said, a lily pad. Duh, right? I just love when I get good ideas, right? Because I'm constantly thinking of what to arrange, what combos I should mix up. And I mean, Aeonium lily pad, perfect, because I've never really seen a frog on a lily pad, but I would love to. But I know that that does happen. So it's like, perfect. And look at this lily pad. It already has 2 babies. It's that prolific, you know? So we've got this little tiny pup right there, and then a little tiny tender one right here. Let's see if I can get close enough. I mean, it's just barely developing. And if you can see, that little stem from the bigger one just comes out from the bottom of the mom. So if I'm lucky, this little bare stem right there will maybe push out another pup. But I mean, lily pads get really big, really wide. I've had a mother lily pad that's pushed out 12 pups, and it just looks so gorgeous with the pups all around her growing. I mean, and surrounding her. It's just such a beautiful sight. So if you ever see an Aeonium lily pad at your garden center, you should really buy it, because it'll be a one-time purchase, because the lily pads naturally push out pups. So eventually, when this pup here gets big enough, I may just snip it off from the stem there, wait for that seal to dry, and plant it in a 2-inch pot, and hopefully this little baby will give me more babies. Oh, just beautiful, and that's why I love lily pads. So let's get started with the planting, and it's going to be a very simple one. And I'll fill this little planter with succulent soil all the way up, all the way to the top here. Okay, perfect. Press that soil in, see if there's enough. Okay, I can still fit some more. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And I'll make a hole, like towards the back, well, in the center. And let's see how this plant wants to sit in here, because I would love to have that little pup in the front, like in between the eyes, but you know what? It'll probably break or something. So I will kind of make that well, and I think it'll look good just on the side here. So there we go. And you know what? I should actually turn it the other way so that baby can have enough space to grow. So I will just settle it into that little well I made. Press it down gently, and I will put more soil in there so it can stay nice and put. I don't really want it to move, be wobbly. So I'll make sure that I have enough soil in there. Press it down so it won't move. Perfect. Okay, so that's working out just fine. Okay. Oh, how cute is that? Look at that, y'all. Oh no, that is so cute. Okay, and now I will put tiny little stones in there. tiny little stones. Oh no, that's just so adorable. And I've got them ready right here. And I'll make sure that those little babies won't get smashed by the stones here. Oh, and it's a little hard. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to tip my little planter there and try to fit all of those stones in there. Do some in the front. Turn it around. Some by the little pup here. Oh no, okay. Beautiful. So do I have it all covered? Yes, I do. Oh, how cute. Just gonna make sure. Oh, was this a good idea? I think this was a good idea. Even though it's a very simple planting, I mean, I enjoy the simplicity, right? I think we should all enjoy the simplicity sometimes. Not everything has to be like big and flashy, right? Oh, I'm just gonna dust off my little Froggy here, and he should definitely have a name. Not just Froggy, or maybe just Froggy. That's cute. So the Froggy and its lily pad. Look at that. So I'm gonna get it a little closer. Oh, isn't that just adorable? I love how it's just smiling and has that red apron. Oh, I'm losing some stones here. Oh, anyways, I started off my Tuesday just right with this little one here. It's making me very happy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next planting, bye garden friends.